Bukit Bintang to try a new burger. That's called burger what? Hobby Burger. We're gonna try it today and we're gonna review it if it's good or not. This place reminds me of the Philippines when people come to eat things. I think they're selling durian. I can smell the durian from here. Yeah. Run! Run! In here is so bright. People are looking at me. Oh my god. Looks like a game. It's going so high. Inside, you can't please. Oh my god. I wanna try that one. Like tourist, like a bus. That bus is really nice. There is the same of them like in Europe and other places. This is Bukit Bintang. This is the traffic of it. Oh, the World Cup, they will show you the result in that places. So people actually, they want you to follow it. I'm not sure why they want you to follow it. Oh my god. Pavilion. This is the most famous mall in the place. I think this is the biggest one in Kuala Lumpur, I'm not sure. I came here before at 2025. Man, the place looks still the same. Wow. Since 2025 I came here before. Now it's still the same. God dang. Messi, damn. I think he will win the World Cup. People will come here from all around the world, I think, because it's the same vibes of New York, Tokyo, and these places. They will come take a photo from here. But Bukit Bintang. You can take videos in it. You can take photos. Labubu everywhere. Labubu is a dancer in here, man. He's dancing well like fucking. There is Labubu almost in everywhere. Then we all that. It's too much. Yes. هنا الناس اللي بيصوروا اللي هو زي اليابان مدري ايش. We reached the burger store, Bobby's Burger. Hopefully it's as advertised. It looked nice like in the photos. So this is the burger, okay guys? Thank you. Just arrived. Bobby's Burger. Okay, thank you, bro. Is it good, bro? That's how it looks like. I'm gonna give it. Honest with you guys, it's good. I will say it. It's not good. I'm saying it's good. YouTuber ترى شافته. ترى هذا مطعم واحد YouTuber. It's a restaurant for YouTuber guy. I think he make this restaurant Bobby's restaurant. That's him. Yes. I think he's famous Malaysian guy. I will do honest review. I'm not Malaysian. I'm not afraid. I'm gonna say if it's good or not, guys. Hopefully it's good though. It's for 30 ringgit. 30 ringgit like potatoes with a burger. My problem with Bobby Burgers was like their food is a little bit oily for me. Like for my likings. And the patty, it was so thin. Maybe that's their special style, but I don't know. It was so thin in the ends. It was oily. Maybe people will tell me, oh, you don't understand, that's the sauce of the burger. If that's the sauce, I don't like the oils. I don't know that. And the flavor was not so strong, so I did try much more better ice cream than that, ice cream burger than that. So yeah, my review actually I'm standing at 7. For the price too, it's not so much worth it. We're gonna try this cold stone ice cream front of Bobby's ice cream. It's for 16 ringgits. Everywhere just fancy stuff like this in Malaysia. This is a regular design, I think, for Resto Bar. It's not actually expensive for like Japanese food to come in the middle of the city. It's not bad, so you're gonna find like this. 29. Like an open buffets everywhere. That's actually good. People will have after work or something to just eat. So it's a good thing. Yeah, they will come with their friends. Okay, eat food. It's like a Chinese vibe, right? Or Japanese vibe. All Japanese restaurants, I think. I'm not sure, but it's so nice the place. God damn. So architecture, so artistic. Like the vibes go from Japan. I see it in movies. They always. Bel Valency. Dior, all brands in here. It's more famous location than whoop. Astaghfirullah. This location is really famous, guys. In Pavilion, everyone will come here just take videos and record themselves. And it's a good location, to be honest. Somehow it's like a tourist spot to come. People will just come here too. Nice stuff in here. Dior Pavilion, that's the mall name. It is a nice place, to be honest.
Ahmed, تعال تعال سيارة.
بعدين لما نستخرج شو كيف الموضوع.